I don't get to do many videos in this one. It's our 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport GT. We've had it 2 years in October. You know, it's loaded. It's got the navigation, automatic climate control, heated seats, four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive's really good in this. It's got an auto and lock. It's got the auto dimming rear view mirror, rain sensing wipers. It's got the LED adjustment there for the panoramic sunroof lights, which you can see the big sunroof is nice. Driving on a side street, sorry. And it's got the leather, as you can see. I don't drive this one much, but it's a really nice vehicle. Power seats, power everything. It's got the adjustment for the low beam HID headlights. You can, you know, adjust them by height, which is really cool. And we also have the upgraded factory LED fog lights on this one. And it's got the power folding mirrors, which is cool. You can do it while you're driving, sitting. That's a nice feature. Light visor mirrors, push start. You know, it's got the remote start, the LED package, all-weather package. We pretty much got it loaded when we got it. But like I said, I don't get to do many videos in it. It's dirty right now, so don't pay attention to the views, but just kind of wanted to give you an idea about this one. We've had it, like I said, almost 2 years now. No issues at all. It's been a great vehicle. That's why I only buy Mitsubishi. Hey, thanks.